As part of the improvements and upgrades that are taking place at the House of Detention, the prison officers are taking part in a 6 to 4 week phase intensive theoretical and practical training session to upgrade the overall skills of the officers, including de-escalation tactics, self-defense techniques, motivational treatment of the inmates, and communication improvements, among other areas. In efforts to promote lifelong learning and enhancements in the field, the Dutch custodial agency, DJI, was approached by the Ministry of Justice to provide the certified training for the officers. The pilot group consisted of 8 persons, however, can be expanded to a maximum of 12. The Minister of Justice, Anna Richardson, expressed her excitement for the trainings for the officers, as some of the officers had not received training in 10 years.
What an exciting day it is. We have trainings happening for our prison guards, their enthusiasm, their demonstration. I'm learning from them that these types of trainings haven't taken place in more than 20 years. Some of them have been in the prison system working with inmates for more than 10 years, and they're so enthusiastic and grateful for this opportunity, and I am too. With the management team, we're very, very grateful to our support system in the Netherlands who made it possible for DAE to be on the ground with us and administering these trainings, both theoretical and practical. So we're looking forward to our work system, our guard system in the prison being more confident, more available, more togetherness, teamwork. It's excellent. So congratulations to the team that just finished their course, and we look forward to the others coming on.
The self-defense trainings were led by Shakib El Amorai. Mr. Amorai provided a few words on the overall trainings which the officers were receiving.
We started two weeks ago. It was really great to start with the group, but as individual. And now we have making a group with groups to they can work together with some skills. They get de-eskalation, how to control the inmates, but starting with communication and don't stop it, and to continue that and to use them as a human.
Helga Vonk led the motivational treatment and integrity trainings for the pilot group. Once the training courses are completed, with passing grades, the officers will receive a certificate and will hold the title of a certified prison officer.